Good afternoon, students. Today, in the last topic, we have done the displacement velocity of a simple harmonic motion. Today, we will do the expression for acceleration, its time period, and its frequency. Okay. Now, in the last topic, we have done that V maximum will be equal to R omega, and omega is 2 pi by T into R. फिर उसी दो ਜਿਹੜੇ extreme cases ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ when at mean position at extreme position. Similarly, acceleration. Now we know that V is equal to R omega cos omega t. So if we want to know the acceleration, then we will do dV by dt is equal to acceleration, and V is equal to R omega cos omega t, where R omega cos omega the derivative ले लेंगे, that will be minus of sin omega t into omega. So it will be equal to minus R omega square sin omega t. And we know that R sin omega t is equal to y, so we will put the value of R sin omega t as y. So acceleration is equal to minus omega square y, or simple harmonic motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. मतलब simple harmonic motion होया जिहदे विच जिहड़ा acceleration आ वो directly proportional है displacement दे and मतलब displacement from the mean position. एंड फिर ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਦੋ ਕੇਸ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਵੈਨ ਮੀਨ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੋਡੀ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਐਟ ਮੀਨ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ clear means y is equal to 0, so acceleration will be 0. Similarly at extreme position matlab when y is equal to r, so a is equal to minus omega square r, or we can say that this. Then time period we know that in magnitude if we'll take a is equal to omega square y, and from here omega will be a by y under root. Clear? Then we know that omega is equal to 2 pi by t, which is equal to under root a by y. ठीक. Then we know that time period, ऐसे इत्थों time period की वैल्यू कढ़ लांगे, t नूं इधर ले जाएंगे, सारी इक्वेशन नूं इधर ले आए, it will be 2 pi into y by a, or we can say that 1 over a by, or 2 pi into 1 over acceleration per unit displacement. Or we know that from the last equation omega is equal to a upon y under root. We will put here a upon y as omega, so it will be 2 pi by omega, or t is equal to 2 pi by omega. This is the expression. This is the expression for time period. Clear? Now frequency is equal to nu is equal to always 1 by t, so we will put the value of t here, that will be equal to nu is equal to omega by 2 pi, or omega ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ value put ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ, that is a upon y under root. So this will be the expression for frequency. Now today we will do next topic, then the graphical representation of phase relationship between displacement, velocity and acceleration. Clear? We will take two cases here, that when particle is initially at mean position, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ mean position ਤੇ ਆ, ਮਤਲਬ y ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਅਸੀਂ r sin omega t ਲਵਾਂਗੇ. ठीक. So we will find the value of velocity from here. It will be r cos omega t into omega, means r omega cos omega t. Similarly we will find the value of, this will be dy by dt, or we will find the value of acceleration, that will be db by dt. This is equal to acceleration, it will be equal to r omega sin omega t, means minus the sin omega आएगा because derivative of cos is minus into omega, that will be minus r omega square sin omega t. So it is acceleration. These three questions, 1, this is 2, and this is 3. These three questions are there. Now we will take the values of phase, means omega t phase, and we will make a table. Phase, then displacement, then velocity and acceleration. ठीक. We will take the phase as 0, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and 4 pi by 2. We will take these four values for the phase angle, that is omega t. Clear? And we will find the corresponding value of displacement. Now if we put omega t is 0 in this equation, then sine of 0 will be 0, this term will be 0. Similarly, we will put the cos omega t is 0, cos of omega t is 1, so it will be r omega. Similarly, in acceleration, it will be 0. Clear? Similarly, second term, we will put the pi by 2 value, that is equal to displacement pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2 is 1, so y is equal to r. Velocity cos of pi by 2 is 0, velocity will be 0. ठीक है, acceleration sin of pi by 2 will be 1, so it will be minus r omega square. Similarly, pi here it will become pi. Clear? If we put the pi here, sin of pi will be 0, cos of pi will be minus 1, it will be minus r omega. Similarly, this term it will become again 0. Similarly, 3 pi by 2 when we will put, ठीक है, 3 pi by 2 पुट करेंगे तो साइन ऑफ 3 pi by 2 मतलब 270, दैट विल बी -1, so it will be -1. Here it will be 0, -1, or sorry, minus r it will become, because sine of omega t is -1, but r is also here, so it will be minus r. Then sine of again sine 3 pi by 2 will be -1, minus and minus will plus, it will be r omega square. Then last 2 pi, sine of 2 pi is 0, then cos of 2 pi is 1, it will be r omega. Then again in this term is 0, it will become 0. Now we will plot the graph for these, or we can convert it with in terms of capital T. We know that omega is equal to 2 pi by t, or omega t will be equal to 2 pi by capital T into t. If we will take the values of this omega 0, then it will be 2 pi by t into t, or we can say that t is equal to 0. Second, we will take the value of this omega t as pi by 2 is equal to 2 pi by t into t. So small t will be become pi and pi will goes, ठीक है, this 2 will come here and t will goes there, it will be t by 4. Similarly, in third, when omega t is equal to pi, then small t will become capital T by 2. You can find it. When omega t is equal to 3 pi by 2, then small t will be 3t by 4 by putting the values of omega. Then omega t is equal to 2 pi, then t is equal to capital T. Now we will plot the graph. Clear? Let this. First of all, we will take, this is the time axis, and here we will first of all we will displacement graph plot करेंगे y. Clear? Now in the table, the maximum value of y is equal to r and minimum is equal to minus r. So we will take it here. Let it is r and it is minus r. Clear? And here 0, this is t by 4, second is t by 2, third is 3t by 4, fourth one is capital T. बस ये values ले लियो. Now when capital T is equal to 0, small t is equal to 0, then this displacement is 0, मतलब here. Clear? Then second one, when t is equal to t by 4, then this is equal to r, मतलब here it is r. Then third point, when omega मतलब t is equal to capital T by 2, इसका मतलब एक ही again 0, मतलब इत्थे. ठीक है. Next, when it is equal to minus r, मतलब here. Then again this is 0, then it means here. So graph will be like this. ठीक है, first हो गया. Then second is for velocity. This is time axis. Here we will take the velocity. ठीक है, ये सेम ही रहना असी, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੇਮ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ. ठीक है. Then again for velocity, when time is 0, velocity will be r omega. Here we will take r omega and here we will take minus r omega. So it is equal to this one, 0. At time is equal to 0, this is equal to r omega, and time is equal to t by 4, it will be 0. Then at time is equal to t by 2, it will be minus r omega according to the this ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ table ਬਣਿਆ. Then at 3t by 4, it will be 0. Then at again t, at t it will be r omega, means here. Clear? So we will match it as this is the graph, this like this. Then for acceleration, let here here is the reason axis उसी ले लिया, time axis, ठीक. Acceleration, now maximum value in table of acceleration is r omega square, minimum is minus r omega square. So it will become graph like this. Like this here, then it will goes like this. Clear? You can also draw by yourself. Now second situation, when particle is at extreme position, when y is equal to r cos omega t. If y is equal to r cos omega t, then v will become r minus r omega sin omega t. Then acceleration become minus r omega square cos omega t. ठीक है? I have written just similar. Then you can also make your table by your own, and I will just make a graph for this is will be phase angle omega t, and this graph will be for y. Here we will draw for velocity, and here I will draw for the acceleration. ठीक है? You can draw by yourself also. This graph will become like this. Here it will be plus r minus r. It will be like this. You can try by yourself. Similarly for velocity, it will goes to first downside. Then like this. Similarly for acceleration, it will start from the negative like this. You can try by yourself. If you will have any problem, you can contact me anytime.